Wala pa, wala foul.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. No good. 2. And of our third quarter, as we can score 72-53 in favor of Idols.
Busing.
Scorer, Mike. Balik ka. Trito.
Shoutout sa'yo, Manuel.
Ako kita.
Manuel, oh. Dito ako.
Si Buban, di pa na pinasok.
Kanina, pagkakataon na kanina eh.
Okay, nasa na yun. Malay mo, binasin yun.
Yung swerte, inuhugot mo yun.
Oo, malas ng tao, palit ka na.
Back to the ball game. Welcome to our fourth and final quarter battle between DCK and Idols. Ball is live. Next game po natin. Ubar Hustlers versus Surigao Ballers. In the middle, no good. Rebound by jersey number 8, Latoha. Latoha binigay kay Tagam.
Push!
Tagam, binigay kay Flor. Uy! And there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number
Push!
31. Foul on jersey number 31. First personal foul, first team foul.
Vamos, tres!
Tagam. Latoha, perimeter jumper, no good, rebound. Uy! And there's a steal by jersey number 11, legs up, no good. Uy, out of bounds. Jersey number 30, slowly bringing down the leather. Setting up the play. Jersey number 8, jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Inside, reverse, no good. Nakuha nyo. Uy, and first up. Wow, foul goes on jersey number 21. Latoha for 2, no good. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Announcer na si Batang, oh.
Stress. Bigay kay Sumayang inside. No good. Rebound by Latoha. No good. Ball is live ball.
Shoutout! Grabe, idol, oh.
Shoutout po.
Announcer na, nag-hire.
Bringing down the leather.
Oh, gamit na gamit.
Jersey number 8 looking for his teammate. Ano ba na pass? Jersey number 3. Number 3 binigay sa ilalim. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 inside. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by Latoha.
Dapat din na lang natin yung bola natin.
Looking for his teammate. Binigay kay Eric. Eric, binigay kay Sumayang. Inside, binigay kay Flor. No good. Rebound by Eric. Eric sa ilalim. And there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 3. Pushing foul. 2 shots awarded for jersey number 11.
Shoutout naman sa napakagaling na...
Shoutout po.
Yun, oh.
Kaya naman. First shot, no good.
Basket!
How about the second try? No good again. Rebound by jersey number 8.
Baba na.
Jersey number 8. Binigay kay steal by Latoha. Binigay kay Eric. Binigay kay Sumayang setting up the play. Binigay kay Castras save for 3. No good. Rebound by Latoha. Latoha looking for steal. Binigay kay steal by jersey number 8. Number 8, nagmamadali, lays up, and there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 39.
Panalo tayo sa announcer natin, no?
Oo.
First personal foul, first team foul. 13 up, and There's a foul.
Ate mo lang.
Sorry?
Line violation.
Line. Outside. Out of bounds.
Harap!
The remaining time, 7 minutes and 55 seconds of our third quarter.
Open!
Jersey number 8, Latoha. Latoha binigay sa ilalim, Castres. Castres fakes. Castres, and there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots awarded for jersey number 11. First shot. No good. What about the second try?
Dapat nagsapatos ko na sa may chance sa tayo.
No good again. It's on by jersey. Oh! Out of bounds. This is a ball.
Back out!
Try mo si Rael, baka boy nasin. Try mo si Buban, baka boy nasin.
Sumayang, binigay sa binigay kay Eric. Eric! No good. Rebound by Latoha. Latoha, no good. Rebound by... Oh, there's speed. Nakuha ni Castres. Castres fade away. It's good. 4-2. Oh, we just scored 76 to 13. Number 13, and there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 11. First personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time 7 minutes and 16 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. And there's almost a steal. Number 13, inside, binigay kay jersey number 8 sa ilalim. No good. Another rebound and there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 13. First personal foul, third team foul.
Kinit, harap, kinit.
Sumayang, bringing down the lure. Binigay kay jersey number 11. Eric, inside. Oh, there's a steal. Out of bounds. Ball is live ball.
Bantay.
Jersey number 8, binigay kay jersey number 9. Number 9, thought about the 3. Looking for his teammate, binigay kay jersey number 8. Number 8, setting up the play. Number 8, take, and there's a 3 seconds violation.
Sab.
Substitution rep. Jersey number 39 out. Jersey number 7, Jackson in.
Ready sa fourth quarter. Bomba, ha?
Sumaya, bringing down the letter. Sumaya. And there's a steal by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, Pinidoko. Binigay kay jersey number 13. Lays up. 4-2. Latoha. Binigay kanino. Kay Castres sa ila. Castres perimeter. No good. Rebound by number 13. Oh, kapitawan. Sige sa kampay. Yes, no good. Nakuha ni jersey number 11. Latoha. Latoha looking for his teammate. Latoha. Oh! Nakuha pa rin ni Latoha. Latoha perimeter. Yes, good. 2-2.
Baba na!
58 to 41. Remaining time 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Wow! Lumipad! Using the gas, no good! Rebound by jersey number 11. Eric. First teammate, almost a steal. Nakuha pa rin ni Eric. Eric inside sa ilalim kay Sumayang using the glass. 1-2. Ball is live. Official score, 58-40.
Sa ibabaw pala.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 15 seconds of our third quarter.
Sa ula pa lang, gitna.
Huwag kayo masyadong malalim. Doon kayo sa ibabaw.
Kaya yan.
Masyadong malalim.
Ano tayo sa fast break ha? Fast break. Sabihin yung papasukin si Rael.
Back to the ball game.
Beautiful na lang, beautiful. Tingnan yung sumayaw, tingnan yung screen. Nakakalimutan yung talaga.
Ball is live ball.
Ilabas ata, coach. Ilabas mo. Wala pa ako.
Number 8.
Nice D.
Almost steal. Out of bounds. 14 seconds.
Tingin nyo sa taon nyo. Tingin kayo. Tingin nyo, angat kundi, angat.
Jersey number 3. Binigay kay...
Sarado doon.
10 seconds. Takes for a 3. Air ball.
Nice D, nice D.
Bounce. Ball.
Kinga, angat ha. Haba pang laban. Kenshi na lang.
Jersey number 8, Lacoha. Looking for some binigay kay Jokson. Jokson binigay kay Castas. Castas perimeter. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Castas. Castas ulit. Black. Nakuha ni... Binigay kay Jersey number 13.
Sino lang.
Out of bounds. Sobra.
Lalim natin. Okay na Paul, pag nakalala ang bigyan ball, may mapatrol mo siya.
Jersey number 22, Sumayang binigay kay Castas. Castas. All alone sa 3.
Yun o.
Sino lang. Tingin, tao. Sarado.
Jersey number 31. 31, binigay kay Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, inside.
Traveling.
Nice kid.
Substitution wrap. Jersey number 30.
Oh, bula.
Good.
12 na lang yan.
13 out.
Hingan ng konti.
Ayos lang.
Jersey number 32, Sumayang. Looking for his team. Binigay kay Castas. Castas binalik kay kanina. Wala. Steal. Jersey number 31. And there's a foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots away for Jersey number 31. Jersey number 14 in. Jersey number 9 out. Substitution wrap. Ben Wallace out. Carlson in. Substitution. Jersey number 4, Mariano in. Latoha out. Ben Wallace pilatan ni Carlson. First shot is good. What about this second try? Official score po natin 59-46.
Meron pa.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 32 seconds of our third quarter.
Box. Ayos na yan.
Meron pa isa. Ibenta ko ulit ha.
Steve! Nakuha ni Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Binigay sa kabila. Bragata for 2.
Tawid mo na.
Bringing down the letter. Looking for his teammate. Binigay kay Mariano. Mariano, ano ba the 3? Takes for a 3!
Yun!
Mare!
Asan yung ano mo?
Harap.
Jersey number 31. Jersey number 21 in the middle. And there's a foul. Foul calls on jersey number 4, Mariano.
62 na pala, idol.
Third personal foul. Warning
62-49.
for penalty.
Ilan na lang.
Marina, batay.
Pressure na lang, coach.
Bragata. Binigay sa ilalim. Using the glass. No good. Nakuha nino. Nakuha ni Jackson. Binato kay Castas. Nagmamadali. Uy! Napasobra. Sayang naman.
3 minutes pa, 3 minutes.
Jersey number 0, Clarkson. Bringing down the letter. Takes for a 3! Air ball!
Tinitingnan mo kayo ito ha, kay Fernand ha. Saan mo?
Remaining time 2 minutes and 28 seconds of our third quarter. Jersey number 11, Eric. Looking for his binigay kay jersey number 4, Mariano.
Bigay agad!
Ulit! Lumipad! Nakuha ni Clarkson, binigay kay jersey number 21. Jersey number 1. Nagmamadali. Lays up! No good. Rebound by jersey number 11.
Foul.
Foul calls on jersey number 0. First personal foul. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Yuni! Sure pass.
Time out na.
Sumayang. Oops! Uy!
Time out.
Time out! PCK. Official score 62-49 in favor of Idols. Remaining time 2 minutes and 2 seconds.
Salaksak. Salaksakan nyo. Out. Kayong dalawa sa lalim kayo. Kayong dalawa sa salaksak. Tapos kick out sa labas ng perlan, ha? Tapos hindi yun, no? Huwag masyado. Ha? Guardia natin, ha? Depensa natin. Balik natin. Okay, okay.
Konti na lang. Tsaga lang, tsaga lang.
Sarado, ha? Sarado. 1-2 tayo, 1-2.
Jersey number 30. Jersey number 31. Inside, binigay sa gitna, sa gitna. Puto!
Bola, bola.
Sumayang. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sumayang, binigay kay Castres. Castres, na number 3. Sumayang, oy! Nagsisigil na naman. Jersey number 30, binigay kay number 28. Oy, nabitawan. Number 28, binigay kanina kay number 31. Using the glass. Puto!
Malapit na kanina.
1 minute and 20. Castres, binigay kay Sumayang, binigay kay Jackson sa ilalim, binigay kay Sumayang, uy, nabitawan, binigay yung pass, uy, binato, and there's the foul. Foul calls on jersey number, foul calls jersey number 11, penalty. Castres first personal foul, penalty. First shot is good. Second shot is good again. 2 for 2 for jersey number 14. Braga. Jersey number 22. Sumaya. Breaking Castres. Castres takes for a 3. No good rebound by number 4 Mariano. Grabe naman yun.
Harap, bantay.
Kuha.
50 seconds. Up, and there's a foul again. Foul goes on jersey number 22, Sumaya, acting foul. Second personal foul, penalty. Official score po natin, 68-51 in favor of Idols. First shot is good. How about the second throw? It's no good. Easy game ball.
Wala, receive.
Violation.
Good, ha?
Isang mabilis.
Jersey number 11.
Isang mabilis.
Kay Sumayang.
Isang mabilis.
Sumayang. Tawanin nyo. Sumayang pa rin. And, out of bounds, same ball. Sabi ng ating referee. 40 seconds, 16 seconds to shoot. Sumayang, binigay kay Eric sa ilalim, mga reverse, and there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 0. Number 0. Fourth personal foul, penalty. Warning na po si Jordan Clarkson. First shot, uy, one hand. Yes, good. Remaining time po natin, 37 seconds. How about the second try?
Yan po, si Batang Nohan dyan.
Second try, using one hand, no good. Rebounding now, Nick Clarkson. Binigay kay jersey number 14. Clarkson ulit, lays up, no good. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13, what about the 3? Castres. And there's a foul. Foul goes on jersey number 31. Penalty. First personal foul. Remaining time, 21 seconds. Official score po natin, 72-52 in favor of Idols. First shot, no good.
Wala, kanina 3 na isa yun.
Second try. It's good. 1 for 2. Para po kay Sir Charles Sarmiento.
Pati daw mo na, pati tayo.